Friends, in this video, we're going to talk about how can you work in the US. You might not know this, but yes, depending on the basis, the reason for your filing adjustment of status, for example, you can file for work permit. It's not just for asylee seekers, but we'll talk about that in a second, probably a different video. But in this episode, we're talking about work permit based on adjustment of status. And also for people, surprise, surprise, but if you enter with a fiance visa, and you can apply for a work permit, okay? Friends, welcome to Green Card Guys TV. I'm your host, John Ting. I practice law in all 50 states of America and represent clients abroad, from the East Coast to the West Coast. Here in this video, friends, you need to get that work permit, and we're here to help you, guide you to the right point in life here. Because with the work permit, you get the social security number in the United States, you can file your taxes, and you can drive legally. You can apply for a driver license, okay? But the work permit needs to be approved first. Now, I want to share a story with y'all. We've had a new client where, for example, what they came to us because, their fiance entered with a fiance visa, of course, K-1. They filed the adjustment application, the affidavit support form, and that's all they filed, with a sprinkling of little evidence here and there about marriage evidence with the marriage certificate. And so here's a couple things. The problem is USCIS, the U.S. government, wants more than marriage certificate. Yes, they need to know you're legally married, but they need to see that your relationship is a bona fide relationship, which really means real. It's not fake. It's not fraudulent. It's severe consequences. I'm sure you know if it is fraudulent, that can restrict you from the immigrant beneficiary from applying in the future. Which, random tip here, but if you're entering with a K-1 visa and you decide not to get married with that person, really important decision in life, I get it. But then you cannot change your status to anything else, and even if you marry someone else in the future. So yeah, that's a big whammy. So you might want to, as any lawyer will recommend, you need to leave the United States if you're here in a K-1, you did not intend, you decide not to get married with that person. Things happen. I'm sure you've seen that TV show on, I think TLC or something like that, 90 Day Fiance. Anyways, back to work permit. So back to some scenarios we've had people call in and ask us about, is that can they apply for work permit based on adjustment of status? And yes, you can, friends. That's very important. In fact, we file it at the same time as a 485 application. Now, people ask, can you file these forms online with USCIS? As of right now, no. In mid-April 2021, very specific for OPT, for university students or graduates, you can file 765 online, but only for that purpose, not based on adjustment of status, okay? So that's very important for you to know. Now, friends, if you're just not quite too sure what to do, we completely understand, but this is why this video is available. But also, we do offer free 15-minute preliminary discussion just to try to point you in the right direction. Maybe we can help, maybe we can't, but you can fill out the intake form down below. It starts with Team Law in the description box. Or if you have time, give us a call at the 346 headquarters number, and our CARES team will schedule you for free 15 minutes, friends. And what you can do is share this not so secret code, Green Card Guys. You can even text it to us if you're busy, you're at work or at school, and you just happen to watch our video during your 5 or 10 minute break. We appreciate it. We get a lot of calls about that where you're watching us right when we go live or whatnot, and you need some information. So we greatly appreciate it. If you need more time though, 30 minutes and 45 minutes, we do offer that. You can self-schedule at this website. It does come with the fee. I think it's very modest. If you hire us within a certain amount of time, we do credit the fee. All right. So hopefully that helps. Okay. But yes, you can apply for a work permit based on adjustment of status. We have a lot of calls about people already filed it and it's been so many months already. So just depending, if you already filed it and it's been 12 months already, it's probably not worth filing the 765 at this point, because you hopefully, fingers crossed, of course, check the USCIS website for processing times. But normally 12 months minimum is around when the interview notice could be delivered to your mailbox. Okay, so you want to be if you don't check your mail every day, which I do, of course, for clients, but you want to, and you have an immigration case, I highly recommend checking your mailbox every day after 12 months. Okay, so then you can get some kind of idea if that interview notice is coming. But at the same time, by the way, friends, we do help clients if you're stuck in a situation where your visa is delayed, but specifically for a visa at the consulate, the interview as well. But also, if you have a 485 application filed with USCIS and it's been more than 15 months, well, I'm sorry, if it's been, yeah, more than 15 months in general, and also if it's been more than 4 months after your interview and you still haven't received a decision, because there's a lot of people that call us and say, John, I need to hire you because it's been so many months after the interview, and the officers made it seem like it was good to go. Like there was a green light, it was going to be approved. But, I've heard of stories, even USCIS has admitted this to me. Of course, they lied a little bit, unfortunately. I wish they tell the truth because we're supposed to tell the truth as well. But one officer has told me, oh, your client's name matched the same name as someone else. Oh, by the way, the date of birth was the same, and so was the A number. I was like, that does not make sense. How is that possible? My point is, friends, sometimes your case file can get stuck. So hire us, give us a call. We can get your file unstuck. And what we do is usually we file a lawsuit against the government. Obviously, we want an approval, but to file a lawsuit, we're just requesting a decision on your case. And a lot of times, 99% of the times that clients hire us in this situation, they don't have a request for evidence. So by all intents and purposes, it should be approved, right? So especially if you didn't get the tough questions at the interview. So we're here to help you and solve your immigration problem, friends. Give us a call at the headquarters numbers 346-330-5888. And friends, if you enjoy our content and the way we share the free news and tips, please like our video, smash the like button, and share our video with your colleagues and friends who you think may have an immigration problem. And friends, until next time, please continue wearing a mask. Take care.